Memorial Day. Just wanted to cover real quick how to find open houses. And again, we've already talked about you go to Group Me, you say your name, you're looking to do an open house, and anybody that has one, and then you put your cell phone after it. And then we know that we can do it two ways when we get into MLS. So this is your way into MLS, matrix.netrus.net. So again, just to make sure, matrix.netrus.net, and you're going to get these 14 boxes, 7 on top of 7. And when you get the 14 boxes, you're going to hit the one in the left-hand corner, and then you get to this screen. All right. So the first thing we can do is go over here to My Office Listings, and you go to My Office Active Listings. There's 75. You click on it, and you go through each one that you want to do an open house on. Okay. And when you click on it, you scroll down to the bottom and you text the agent, "Hey, Saeed, can I do an open house at 123 Easy Street?" That's the cell phone. All right. So you've tried two ways to get an open house. You've tried Group Me and always put your cell phone, and you've gone into here and hit My Office Active Listings. The other way is you'll go into My Matrix, you'll go search and go residential, and you can do either detailed or quick, doesn't matter. And this is your buyer screen for a search. You'll go right up here and you slowly type in your own physical address where you live. And as you do it, it'll pull up your address. You select it, and then right here you put, just start at 3 miles. And over here in price, put a price point that you want, 4 to 700. And you can see there's 25 matches. Okay. If I wanted to go out further, I could go 5 miles. There's 86 homes available, 400 to 700, 5 miles from my house. I hit results, and you're going to go through each one and text the agent and see if they'll let you do an open house. It's that easy. You could do an open house every single day for the rest of your life if you wanted. There is no excuse not to have an open house that you can do. Never. There always is an open house that you can do every single day of your life until you die. There would be an open house that you could find. If you like to be relentless, tenacious, and you're okay with failure, because some of these people will say no. And what do? You just go to the next one. And what do? You scroll down. And what do? You text them right there. That's their cell phone. What do? You go to the next one if they say no. You scroll down. You text them at that phone number. That is the listing agent. And you just go, "Hey, this is Doug Smith with DHS Realty. I'm with it for brokerage firm. I live a couple miles from your house, your listing. Anyway, I could do an open house this Saturday, 12 to 4. No, we don't do that. Okay, thank you. Go to the next one. So I could do it. You can do it. I will never ask you to do something that you can't do or I can't do myself. All right. Y'all have a great day.